Hello, everyone. This is your flight attendant speaking. In case of emergencies, all items needed will come out of under the overhead compartment. We will be taking off in 10 minutes to Wisconsin. I hope you all enjoy your flight. Make sure your seatbelts are on when the seatbelt symbol is lighted. If you need anything, including snacks and drinks, press the button above your head. Please enjoy your flight.
Okay, hello customers.
Later.
We're gonna have the security checker check every checker, and then we're gonna get checked. Okay? Make sure to check your seatbelts, checkers.
Okay, I'm checking everything. Looking good. All right, we're ready.
Get checked, noobs. Okay, we are launching in 3, 2, 1. Take off.
Make sure your seatbelts are buckled for the first few minutes in case of any turbulence.
Turbulence already, guys. Okay, hi guys.
Turbulence is crazy.
So we've been doing this shot for like 12 minutes now, and we're playing Buttermilk Protection. It took me like 20 minutes to build this airplane. So you guys deserve to give me a like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel too. Link in the description.
Guys,
back
to the roleplay.
Okay.
Guys, back to the roleplay. Begin.
Yes. Okay, customers, make sure to listen to my amazing music that we're gonna be listening to the entire ride. Gas, we gotta step on the gas tonight. We gotta step on the
I need to go to the bathroom, guys. I need to go to the bathroom. Is the seatbelt off? Is the seatbelt sign off?
Yeah.
Oh, please, seatbelt. Can you go to the bathroom, guys?
It's not.
Guys,
The bathroom.
sit down. Why were we going to Wisconsin?
That turbulence is crazy when I was going to that.
What the heck?
Me for 3 years to deal with this crap.
Okay, I'm going to the bathroom, guys.
You cannot get your seat.
He's teleporting. Why is this actually low-key funny?
Oh, crash landing. Make sure to go to the emergency area.
Make sure that you have your oxygen mask.
I'm in the escape pod. Please do not launch it. I am about to die.
Okay, I'm gonna click this lever right in front of me. I don't know what it does.
No! The escape pod is going flying, I think.
No, it's not. You're still alive.
Oh my god, what is happening? What? The escape pod isn't here anymore! What? What is happening? Oh, Quinn's at the back! Why do I have half of my hair?
Your seatbelt on, dude.
Make sure you guys have your seatbelts on.
Because those will help.
What is happening?
I'm so good at flying this. There will be slight turbulence during our ride.
Make sure to press the button over your head in case of your need for water and peanuts.
Oh, guys, there's about to be a lot of turbulence. We're about to go midair.
We're literally in a flipping airplane. Literal flipping airplane. Oh, why am I in the pilot's area?
Why are we flying?
What is happening? What?
The plane will
Where
not
are we?
turbulence, but do not worry, as it is not a large emergency. Everyone has a survival rate.
Make sure to press the green button. Make sure to press the green button.
The crash landing.
There will be slight turbulence during our fall. Make sure to put your seatbelt and
What is happening?
make sure to press the a button.
Everyone put on your life jackets as we will be going into the water.
We hope you had a good flight here at Narsa Industries. Gas.
Thank you,
Gas.
pilot. I really enjoyed
Wisconsin
that.
don't know. Why are you what?
Oh, I didn't know Wisconsin had these treasure chests. Oh, this. Why is there a beach at Wisconsin?
Why does Quinn look so weird when he's bald?
Why is there a beach at
Because
Wisconsin?
he looks like usual.
Look at Sonam, bro.
Snacky, thank you for this great flight.
You only owe me $2 billion and your soul, and make sure to sell it to the devil and join my cult. Only for $10 an hour.
$10 an hour?
I'm locked in the thing. Locked in the chest. Somebody
Actually.
please open the chest.
Oh, you weren't.
Help me!
Okay.
Oh, you're actually stuck in the thing. How did you get stuck in the thing? Quinn got done dirty, bro.
I died.
Quinn got done dirty. Don't be dirty,
Quinn.
Quinn.
To the thing.
Mauricio,
What?
spawn it so I can get in.
Let's do
I'm not
another
piloting.
episode.
I call dibs on not piloting because I need to go to the bathroom.
By the way, Mauricio, end the video, by the way.
No, let's do another flight because I'm tired
I know,
of
but it's a different video.
Wisconsin.
Oh, yeah, I
Mauricio,
can't get out.
What?
Mauricio, make it as a
on
different
your ship.
video. Mauricio, make it as a different video for the next plane ride.
No, boo.
Guys, let me just summon my we're gonna make another plane, and also this Titanic. It's gonna be for another video, guys. It's coming soon.
I'm going to the bathroom, Mauricio.
Okay, bye,
Mauricio, I'm going to the
guys.
bathroom.